Hello guys, I have some Pokemon cards and I just bought this from my neighbor. I don't know the name of him, but I know he's my neighbor. He did this. He said it was some random cards he doesn't want. Let's open it, guys.
Anong pangalan ano kay Daddy?
How can I open this? Ooh, Pokemon cards. He said there was no energy. Ooh, I just rolled the god back. Yeah, this is a god back. Whoa! Oh my gosh. What? What? Oh my. Oh my gosh. Just I got the freaking rainbow card. I'ma open this, guys. This is some more. He said this was 6 and this was 9 pieces. He said he doesn't want to put energy to waste my cards. He said. Again, I got this like. Oh my gosh. Oh no. I get the god back. I get the god back. So, this is all of my cards. Look.